Imagine a technology that's capable of creating complex objects with precision and accuracy. Scientists have discovered a surprising solution to improve 3D printing results, and it's not what you'd expect. 3D printing is a rapidly growing industry, but it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is creating accurate and precise prints, especially with complex geometries. Researchers have been searching for innovative solutions to overcome these obstacles. Scientists have discovered that using a dead mosquito's mouth as a nozzle can actually create better prints. The mosquito's mouth is incredibly small and precise, making it an ideal candidate for 3D printing. Researchers have successfully used this technique to create intricate objects with high accuracy. So why does the mosquito mouth work better than traditional nozzles? It's all about the surface tension and fluid dynamics. The mosquito's mouth has a unique shape that creates a perfect balance of pressure and flow, resulting in accurate and precise prints. So what does this mean for engineers and inventors? The mosquito mouth nozzle has the potential to revolutionize 3D printing in various industries, from aerospace to healthcare. By using this innovative technique, researchers can create complex objects with unprecedented accuracy and precision. Researchers have discovered that other insects, such as bees and butterflies, also have mouthparts that could be used as nozzles. This opens up new possibilities for 3D printing and could lead to even more innovative solutions. The discovery of the mosquito mouth nozzle has the potential to change the game for 3D printing. By embracing unconventional materials and innovative techniques, researchers can create new possibilities for various industries. Don't forget to subscribe to @LearnWithDidyouknow for daily doses of mind-blowing fact.